for ingredients to reach their full potential. The sharpness of the knife is very important for successful cooking. A dull knife can damage the ingredients and release more juices than a sharp knife. So the better the sharpness, the better the cooking. Our Enjin no Takumi Black kitchen knife is the answer. Our mission is to let people around the world know about the high-end products in Japan. Once you eat the dishes, you will definitely taste the difference in flavor, especially in fresh ingredients. A sharp knife creates a clean cut, which then helps you taste 100% of the food's authentic flavors. Once you use this amazing kitchen knife, you will instantly notice the way the knife allows you to cut the ingredients effortlessly. This kitchen knife maintains its sharpness and coating for a remarkably long time. Some Japanese chefs tested them and these are their responses. Japanese kitchen knife always has good sharpness, but I've never seen a sharp knife like this. You can feel the knife artisan pays attention to design. It's meticulously balanced. You can fillet any type of fish, so it's easy to bring out the ingredients' flavor. What motivates us is that we want you to use the best kitchen knife made by our Japanese craftsmen with their high-end techniques. We want to introduce this masterpiece to many Americans as possible. We offer 4 types of kitchen knives. Each knife is designed for a specific purpose. You can select the best choice for your cooking needs. If you buy our 4-piece knife set, it will come in a luxurious gift box. All you have to do is try our Enjin no Takumi Black.